All right, so now we're going to look at what is available to you as an instructor in the 21st century. Okay, products. I'm going to show you this product. It's a really cool one. This, and let me now introduce you to practical application of the actual preview window. Now you're going to see this drag a little bit because of the fact that I'm recording through another computer. Okay, it's kind of disjoint, but my audio will be okay. This is a Wacom drawing tablet. This is a pen that works on a drawing tablet. This enables you to write on the computer. Welcome to the 21st century. This hooks up via USB. Now, not all districts can afford Photoshop. So a Photoshop alternative would be the program GIMP, G-I-M-P. I don't have GIMP installed on this computer. I have Photoshop. In Photoshop, I can go to New Document, choose Letter, then I'm going to choose No Camera. Okay, now I have this document up. I can hit Record, and while it's going like that, I can make this bigger. All right, I also have the ability to zoom. Two different ways to zoom. I can zoom via this, or I can use Alt and wheel mouse. I usually close all the other application or all the other tabs here, or throw them off to the side. Now, if you're talking about math for a second, let's talk about math. If I'm working on a problem, okay, kids, today we're going to be using math to learn 2 plus 2 equals. Okay, now keep in mind, this is just an example, but I could work out, 1/4 x plus 3/8 plus 1/2. And I could work that problem out in front of somebody, minus the messy handwriting. I have unlimited amount of colors here. I have an unlimited amount of what I can do. Like I could draw straight lines in different colors. Okay, tell me what whiteboard, besides a smart board that's going to cost you, I don't know, a good couple grand, it allows you to do this. If I flip the pen over, I get an eraser, and I can now erase it. So you talk about digital, you talk about whiteboards, and now you're talking about why do I have to be in front of the class in order to teach math? The only thing the student is getting out of the deal is your mannerisms, which are going to be awkward at first because this is probably the first or second time that you've attempted to do video in front of your classroom. So you recording your lessons and putting them out there for students, they don't want to see your mannerisms. They just want the content material and maybe your lame jokes. So throw a joke in every once in a while. It makes them feel better about themselves. But being in front really doesn't have any advantages whatsoever. This goes the same with English. English can be taught using Microsoft Word or Google Docs. All right, so that's a product, Wacom Drawing Tablet. It costs about $199. There are variations that are much cheaper than that and are perfectly able to do everything I just did. But if you are a person that are doing some high graphics, I would suggest buying the Intos 4 tablet, which is $199. If not, if you're just a math instructor or an English instructor or a physics instructor or something like that, that doesn't have to draw very fancy pictures on the computer, Let's go Wacom.com. Let's go to products. Now under products, I have bamboo tablets. Okay, these bamboo tablets are inexpensive. They're about $47 to $60, and some are even wireless. These make a great alternative. Now, if you're a person with high graphics, I would suggest an Intos. Here's a tip. Size is important. Do not buy this huge hunkin' Intos 4 variation that is the size of a dinner plate. Why? Well, let me go over something. The space between here and here is much shorter. That means if I'm drawing from here to here, I have a shorter path. If you're not used to drawing on a computer or drawing on one of these things, that shortest path is very important. The shortest path equals less likely you are shaking and drawing weird lines. Also, this fits in your briefcase or backpack. So if you want to do these same video conferencing things, you can do it from home or in the office, and you can travel around with this device. That's the nice thing about it. So small is good. Actually, when they first came out, I bought one of the larger variations of it. It's so big, yeah, and you need perfectly ninja handwriting skills in order to use it. All right, so that's a product. That's how you use it, and that's an alternative to a whiteboard. So now that we have all of that, well, let's look at camera variations and see what's important via camera variations in software applications, okay? And that's in the next video.